Alhamdulillah wa kafa wa salamun ala ibadihillazina istafa. Amma baad, today we shall discuss on everyday using word, the word Skooter. This word is an English word, but everyday use has crystallized it in such a way that it became known as Punjabi word. Really, it is an adjective from word secute. Secute means to run fast, and secuto means fast run. Secute means to run fast. Secute means to run fast. Secute means to run fast. Secuto means fast run. Secuto means fast run. Secuto means fast run. I hope that you will like my video. If you like my this video, subscribe to the channel and click the bell so that my every video can reach to you. وما علينا إلا البلاغ المبين.